Session 2. Condition statements in Python. In Python, condition statements are used to make decisions based on certain conditions. They allow you to control the flow of the program by executing different blocks of code based on whether a particular condition is true or false. The primary condition statements in Python are if statement. The if statement is used to execute a block of code only if a specified condition is true. Syntax of an if statement. Example of an if statement. Output. Second, if else statement. The if else statement is used to execute one block of code if a condition is true and another block of code if the condition is false. Syntax of an if else statement. Example of an if else statement. Output. If elif else statement. The if elif else statement is used to test multiple conditions one by one and execute different blocks of code based on which condition is true. It is used when you have more than two possible outcomes. Syntax of an if elif else statement. Example of an if elif else statement. Output. These condition statements are fundamental in Python programming and are commonly used for making decisions and controlling the program's flow based on specific conditions. They are powerful tools for writing flexible and responsive code.